Hello.
Hi.
Uptown Swing.
That's right.
Level 3.
Correct.
Charleston class. And right.
We did hacksaws today.
Woo!
Basic.
Hey.
Send them out and
Boom.
and one, two, switch
Hey.
it.
Boom. Boom.
Move.
Hey. Boom. Boom.
Or don't and be done.
Hey. Hey. Woo.
So we talked a little bit about the send out and we put it back in 6-count turns. So we had a really round tuck turn around me.
Boom. Hey.
Or when we did the send out,
Boom.
we were asking one side to go straight and there wasn't a lot of turn to it. So remembering the difference between those feelings really helped us send out on the hacksaws. Then we did sailor kicks.
It looks like this. Boom.
Hey, hop,
Whoop.
hey,
Kick, step, kick, step.
and
Shoot. There's something. We'll come back to that next week. See you then. Bye.